Hi, my name is Matthias and I'm with Molnify. Today I'm going to teach you how you can create an app where you can calculate the costs for a loan for an apartment. I'm going to create the app in Excel and then upload it to Molnify as an app. Let's get into it. Okay, so this is what the app is going to look like once it's ready. I'm going to be able to set the apartment price here with a slider and also living space in square meters with a slider here. I will be able to change the monthly fee for the apartment, and I get to choose if electricity is included or not. I get to tell the app how much in percentages I would have as a loan, also what the interest rate is, and what the installment fee is. I will get all my answers over here, and we will also have a pie chart down here to show the distribution of monthly expenses. So here I have my Excel file, and let's create some inputs. First, apartment price. Let's make that 320,000 euros, like that. Living space, maybe 80 square meters. Monthly fee, let's make that 560. And electricity included. I want to create a button for that, so I write true in this cell here. Electricity fee, if it's not included, and let's make that 10 euros. As for the loan in percentage, how about 85%, interest rate 1.69, and installment 2%. Okay, now to the outputs. For price in square meters, let's turn that into an if statement. So if V2 is larger than 0, in that case take V1 divided by V2. Otherwise, print out nothing. So that'll be 4,000 euros. Loan, B7 times B1, and upfront payment, B1 minus G2. Interest per year, that'll be B8 times G2. And interest per month, that'll just be G4 divided by 12. As for installment payment per month, that'll be B9 times G2 divided by 12. For the fee per month, that's an easy one. That's just B3. And electricity per month, if B4 equals false, in that case, take B5. Otherwise, 0. For the total per month, that's a sum formula. So that would be G5 to G8. Okay, so that's it. Now let's turn these ones into inputs by coloring them standard green, and these ones as well, inputs. My answers, I want to see all of these as outputs, so I'll color them standard red. Actually, I don't want to see interest per year, but I do want to see interest per month. I'm just going to leave this one and color these ones red. Now for the metadata, I'm going to type ID and then my apartment, and as name, I'm going to call it my apartment. To turn these cells into metadata, I'm selecting all of them and coloring them purple. I'm going to make the text white since it's a bit easier to read, and now I'm going to save my file and head on over to Molnify. Go to the upload Excel file page and get my file, just drag and drop it. Click start, and now my application is ready to use. Okay, here I can go up and down in apartment price and directly see my results. I can also change my living space in square meters. I can change my fee, electricity included or not, the loan in percentages, and also interest in percentages, and installment. Great. Now I also want to add some cosmetic changes. So I would like to turn this input into slider. Actually, I would also like to have this as a slider, and I want to be able to hide electricity fee when it's not included. So I'll just head over to my Excel file, and to turn this into a slider, I just type slider here. I want the slider to start at 100,000, so 100, 1, 2, 3, and I want it to end at 500,000. I also want a delta here, and I want the delta to be 10,000. So I'll write delta 10,000. All right, Living space in square meters, this one should be a slider as well. And I want the min here to be 30 and max will be 200. Delta here could be 5. Electricity fee. If this one is true, I don't want to see the electricity fee, but if it's false, I would like to see it. So I'm going to create a functionality called conditional show here. So I'm just going to type show if cell equals, and the sheet name is sheet 1, and the cell is B4. So B4, and then a semicolon and show if value equals false. So I'm saving the Excel file once again, and I'll go back to the upload page, and I just drag over my file again and upload. And now we can see that we have a slider here that goes between 100,000 and 500,000. We also have a slider for square meters with a delta of 5. And if I choose to not include electricity, I get to decide the fee, but if I include it, the fee is hidden. One last thing, I would like to have a pie chart here, which shows the weight of interest, installment, and fee as percentages. So I'm going to create that by going back to the Excel file, and I'm going to type out distribution of monthly expenses. So interest, let's spell it right, interest, installment, and fee. Maybe I'll add a little percentage sign here, and then this one would be G5 divided by G9. Installment, that would be G6 divided by G9. And fee would be G7 divided by G9. Okay, so to turn this into a pie chart, the only thing I need to do is to color these cells standard blue. I'm going to turn the text here white so it's easier to see. And since these numbers, they all sum up to 1, Molnify is going to interpret this as a pie chart. So I'm saving the file and heading over back to the upload page. I'll drag over my file and then just click start. And now we should have a nice pie chart here. And we do. And this is, of course, interactive. So if I pull my slider here, the pie chart will change. Okay, great. So this has been a tutorial for how to create an apartment calculator in Excel and then upload to Molnify as an application. And this under 10 minutes. If you would like to create an app of your own, please head on over to molnify.com and just click sign in and you create an account. At this page, you have a few different options. You can choose to upload Excel file, but we also have some documentation here. If you click documentations and then tutorials, you will be able to watch a few basic tutorials on how to create a Molnify app. We also have templates, which you can view like this. And you can also download the underlying Excel file if you would like to do that. It will look like this, and upload a file of your own. Thanks for watching and have a really nice day.